While this chocolate baked oatmeal might sound like a treat, I promise you that it's loaded with nutritious ingredients you can feel good about eating for breakfast. So let's make it. The first thing you want to do is preheat the oven and spray a baking dish with cooking spray. Now in a blender, I'm going to pour the milk, the banana, a little butter, maple syrup or honey, egg, and vanilla, and we're going to blend this until smooth. Now in the large bowl, I'm going to combine the oats, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt, making sure that the cocoa has mixed really well. Now we pour the liquid mixture into the oat bowl and combine into a batter. By the way, I'm going to have the ingredient measurements for you in the description box right below this video. And if you enjoy oats, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up so I know to make more on my channel. Now we pour the batter into the prepared baking dish and we're going to sprinkle a few chocolate chips on top, giving the mixture a little swirl to incorporate them into the batter. We're going to bake these oats for 25 to 30 minutes in our preheated oven until the oatmeal has set. And once they're ready, we're going to remove it and serve it inside individual bowls. You can top it with vanilla yogurt, a little drizzle of peanut butter if you wish. The good news is that you can store any leftovers in the fridge for up to 4 days and you simply microwave them to enjoy them next time. If you love baked oatmeal, make sure to check out this next video. See you guys next time.